Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wild world of Superzoom cameras with the latest offering from Panasonic. Say hello to the Lumix FZ80D, a powerhouse designed for wildlife and nature photographers. If you're looking for a compact camera that packs an impressive punch, this one's for you. Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this remarkable piece of tech. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is an upgrade from its predecessor, the FZ80, released back in 2017. This new model retains the best features while adding some exciting improvements. Let's start with the basics. It boasts an 18.1 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed photos even in low light. Coupled with the Lumix DC Vario 60x zoom lens, you're equipped to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife. One of the major highlights of the FZ80D is its ultrawide zoom range, thanks to the DC Vario 60x lens. Imagine having the power of a telephoto 1200mm setup in the palm of your hand. Whether you're tracking a bird in flight or capturing the intricate details of a flower, this camera has got you covered. When you're out in the wild, having a steady shot is crucial. That's where the FZ80D's POWER O.I.S optical image stabilizer comes into play. It significantly reduces image blur caused by camera shake, ensuring your photos are sharp and clear, even when shooting handheld at longer focal lengths. But that's not all. The Lumix FZ80D isn't just a still camera. It excels in video recording too. You can shoot stunning UHD 4K videos at 30 frames per second, capturing every detail with incredible clarity. Plus, with Full HD 1080p and slow motion 720p 120 and 480p 240 options, your creative possibilities are endless. For those action-packed moments, the FZ80D offers 4K burst, 4K pre-burst, and 4K burst start-stop modes. Capture continuous 8-megapixel still shots at 30 frames per second, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot, whether it's a sports event or a fast-moving subject in nature. Panasonic has also made this camera incredibly user-friendly. The improved viewfinder and rear LCD touchscreen make framing and reviewing your shots a breeze. And with in-camera charging via USB-C port, keeping your camera powered up is more convenient than ever. Let's not forget the dedicated macro mode, allowing you to focus on objects with a working distance of just 0.4 inches. Perfect for capturing the tiny details that make our world so fascinating. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, this camera will help you capture the world in stunning detail. Check out the official product page for more information and get ready to elevate your photography experience.